Hello everyone, Blue the Raptor 24 here, and we are here at the meat grinder. Although, I smell a challenge. Why? Because, let's just say, Dragon Fighter 1133 challenged me to this place. Okay? And she dared me to. But her record was like 4 minutes or 4 seconds. I might be wrong. Let's just say 4 minutes. Yeah. And this place is called Meat Grinder. As I was saying, sorry I was late because my niece had her graduation, and so she won't have to go to school for the rest of the whole year until next year, so yeah. But I'm home and I'm doing some videos for you guys, so let's get to it. And let's get this challenge on. Okay, let's go.
Well, someone's finally awake. I captured you while you weren't looking. This is going to be so much fun. I hope you enjoy my little game I've put together. Climb your way up, or be crushed.
Oh. Well, you know, guys, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. Even though Dragon Fighter dared me to do this, and I'm gonna regret it. Oh, hello, that was a table. Okay. Here we go, here we go. Make it quick, make it quick. I always wait for, like, with those big ones coming at you, go first. Woo! Alright, let's see if I can beat her record. Oh no! Oh, that hurt. Bring up my camera. Okay, I can do this, I can do this. Grr. How dare you, Dragon Fighter 1133. Alright, we can do this, guys. Whoa. Whoa, that was close. Oh, shit. That scared the crap out of me. I almost swear. I said, oh, shit. Okay. Okay. Just dodge and weave, dodge and weave. Okay, I got this. Woo, that was close. Woo! There was a big old table. Ow. I got knocked out. Then I came back up again. If you're planning on doing this in IRL, don't do it. It's a death trap. Whoa. Oh. Alright, we can make it, guys. We can definitely make this. No, no, no. No. Don't you dare. You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. I really don't want to go down there. Ow. It's like suicidal. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Whoa! Oh, don't hit me. Oh, shit. Dang, you gotta watch out for those. Hang on. There we go. Oh, that was close. Okay, we can do it. We can do this. We can do this. Those big old traveler thingies. Okay, come on. We can definitely beat Dragon Fighter's score. I'm trying to make it without killing myself. Woo! Oh no! Okay, I definitely made it. Oh! Hello. I can definitely beat her score, guys. Let's just see if I can. Come on, come on. Come on, Blue, there's a way, there's a way. You know the way. Ooh. Jeez. Aggressive table. It's like somebody's just throwing things at you. Example, if somebody was gonna throw a table, at least scream and run. And there I go. Not cool. I do not want to be in that again. Oh, no. Come on, come on. Get away from those, get away from those, get away from those. You just have to dodge the big ones like that. Oh, nope, nope, nope. I almost had it. We can do this, we can do this, we can do this. You tarnation. Come on, come on, come on. I regret doing this. I blame Dragon Fighter for this. I regret it. Dragon Fighter, if you're watching this, we're almost to the top. Ooh. Oh no, you freaking mother effing tire. Alright, we can do this again. No worries, no biggie. Whoa, whoa. And here comes the big old trailers. Dodge and weave. We're almost there. No table. No table. No table. Dang it. I almost had it. Okay, that doesn't count. That does not count. Okay, I'm gonna wait till that table moves, okay. I think Dragon Fighter could be laughing right now, guys. That doesn't count. No. Be serious. Right here. It's my serious face. And I think it's safe to go up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And there goes the flying tables. Jeez Louise. Watch out for flying tables. Tire! Okay, I should never jumped. Ow! That came right towards my face. It's like somebody just like smacked you right towards the face. It's gonna leave a red mark on there. Ow! Like, no joke. It feels like somebody actually just punched you or slapped you towards the right in the middle of the face here. That's what it feels like. Come on, Blue. Let's beat Dragon Fighters. Oh! Was not expecting that. Okay, I'm gonna wait till those big old tin pins go away. What? I was standing right there. How can Alright, time to get serious now. Time to get serious. I'm gonna go crazy. This is like a mad Blue right here. Alright, let's go, let's go. Mad Blue coming up. This is the Mad Blue right here. We can do it, we can do this, we can do this. We're almost there. Ah! Not falling for that. Oh. Oh, that was so close from the table. Alright, come on, come on. We can definitely beat it. I want to go fast. Oh, you. Alright, time to get serious now. I was not expecting that. I blame the table. This is very frustrating. I regret from doing this. Grrr. Come on, come on. Away from the little things, away from the little things. Find the happy places, find happy places. We're almost there. We're almost home, we're almost home. Come on. Come on, we're almost there. We're almost home. We're almost home, we're almost home. Away from the little things, away from the little things. No, no. God. And I blame myself for doing that. Dragon Fighter, if you're watching this, I'm gonna boop your nose so hard until you sneeze about 15 times. I swear. Ow. That hurt. No pushy. No pushy. Ah! And that's why I don't like the meat grinder so much. I mean, nah. We can do this. We can make it. Get your serious face on, Blue. Come on. We can make it. Just run away from the little things. I have my serious face on, guys, as you can tell. No! You son of a bitch. I said bitch. Not the other one. Woo! That was close. Ow. B-I-S-H. That's the word I said. Not the other one. Oh, that was close. Okay. I can do this. Alright, time to get serious. Ow. Perfect timing when I said that. I look evil in this face, not gonna lie. I do look evil. Ow. I'm tempting to just go small and just go run up. I'm gonna try out this way. Oh, that hurt. And we're no. Oh, this is not cool, guys. Come on, we can do this. Just gonna have to stay on the wall. Gonna stay on the wall. I'm gonna make it, guys. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it! No! Okay, I'm gonna try this side of the wall. Ow. Ow. Of course, my bed frame is right there in front of me. And I roll. Because I already hurt my front of my hand right here, so I'm okay. My room is so small. That's why I want a big room. Where I don't have to hit anything. Hurts like heck. This is torture. Really, guys, this is torture right here. I can't believe Dragon Fighter 1133 dared me to do this, and I accepted it, but I regret. I have to do it. Oops, my fault. Run. I lost my camera. Oh. There we go. I then move myself like away from the bed frame so I don't smack my hand into it. Like I did last time. It hurt. Ow! No, I was close. I was definitely close. If I didn't make it into there, I've been so close to not to the edge. Dragon Fighter, if you're laughing right now, I swear I'm gonna boot that nose of yours. Alright. Okay, let's go back to that wall before the big one shows up. Of course, the little things. My gosh, this is torture. It's like, we're not gonna leave you up there. I'm gonna say, get me up there. I'm tired of dying. You know what? I've changed my mind. I'm going to Little Blue. A lot more faster. Let's go. Come on. Little Blues can do. I just do little blue things. Hee. Make it where they can't get me. We're almost there, guys. Come on. Let's see how. Oh, that took me that. Ah, I should never reset it. God dang it. It was 19 something. Let me try it one more time. Let me try it one more time. Don't touch the reset button. It was 19 something. Keep that in mind, guys. 19 something. Back to Little Blue. Ah! Little Blue now. Little Blue down. Oh yeah, it was like 19 minutes and 32 seconds. That's how I remembered. I beat it her record. I beat it her record. It was 19 minutes and 32 seconds. Beat that Dragon Fighter. Beat all night. Ow. Ow. Let me see if I can beat the record again. My time. It was 1932. 19 minutes and 32 seconds. That was my score. Let me see if I can beat it again. Get the serious face on. No! We're gonna stay. No! Alright, get our serious. Ow. Although, I do have a special song for you guys at the end. Even though the Protogen is gonna hate me for this. And I'm just wait to the end, guys. Just wait. I'm gonna get my serious serious face on. Whoa, there goes a table. No, it was 19 minutes and 30 seconds. That's how my time was. Yep. Alright, let's go. Let's do this again. Give me serious. We do this. I need my focus. I'm talking serious. I got my serious face on, guys. Alright, let's see how long it took me. 3 minutes and 31. I'm gonna try it again. So my first one was about 19 minutes and 30 seconds. Second time was 3 minutes and 31 seconds. I'm gonna try my third one, see how long it takes me. Shall we do it one more time? Why, let's go. I'm gonna do this one more time. First, it was 19 minutes and 30 seconds. Second was 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Let's see how long it takes me for my third try. I don't know if I want to use the avatar height, but it goes a lot faster if I use the avatar height. Let's go, blue, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Got my serious face on. We can do this, guys. Oh, I fell over a map. Okay, let's not try fall through the map. Ah! That came out of nowhere. Oh, you did not. Serious. I love how I do the serious faces. We can do this. Serious face, guys. Serious. Got my serious face on. Okay, let's see how long it took me. 3 minutes and 1 second. I'm tempting. I want to beat, well, first try, it was like 19 minutes and 30 seconds. Second try was 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And then third try was 3 minutes and 1 second. Sure. Had to stretch a bit. I'm tempting. Should I do one more round? Or should I not? You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna do it one more try until I beat Dragon Fighter's record. I'll put my headset on the charger just in case if it dies. Just popping up my fingers just to get ready. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Ow. This is my 4th try. Ah! The table pushed me off the map. Take 2. We can make this one. No! Okay, made a perfect save. I just need focus. But 2 minutes and 53. Oh, come on. That means I have to beat the record again. Hers was 4 minutes, and I'm trying to beat it. Let's try this again. Dragon Fighter, I will beat your time. I will beat your time. Grr. You know what? I'm gonna try it. Get the hiccups. The different route. Don't hit me, don't hit me, don't smash me. Dang it. No. There we go. Ha, nailed it. Alright, serious face. I did not. You don't see I'm not happy, you guys. I'm showing my teeth, as you can tell. Oops. Actually, I had to cook. I can't speak English. I accidentally took a picture of myself. Alright. Act serious. Ow. We're gonna do this. It's serious time. Serious. We're almost there. We're almost there. No! Yeah. Let's do like a different Abby. I'm gonna try with a Naruto here. Alright, let's go. Ow. Ow. Tempting. Ow. Ow. I'm gonna try this side where it's safer. Without falling into the map. No. Alright. Let's do this. Get your game face on and be serious. Nope. Not so fast, table. We're almost there. Whoa! Yes! 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Yeah. Boom chicka wow chicka. We beat it, we beat it, we beat it. Mm-hmm. What you gonna do about it? Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Let's see. There we go. My victory dance. Beat on that. That's the record right there. Took me about 5 minutes and 38 seconds from the last one. Give me faster, let's go. Woo! Wait, hold on. Slow motion. And then faster. Okay, I had my fun. But anywho, Dragon Fighter 1133. You know that dare you told me? I beat it. First try was 19 minutes and 30 seconds. Second try was 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And then third try was like 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I think. And then my last try, 5 minutes and 38. I beat it. And I know you guys want to hear a special song. So, hold on. And there's a song for the ending. Because why? Because I can. But anywho, this world here is called Meat Grinder. And if you guys do play in this one, see if you can beat that time right there. I dare you guys into a challenge. And that's the time right there. That's my final time. And I'm Blue the Raptor 24. My YouTube channel is Blue the Raptor 24. And this place is called Meat Grinder. And so, I don't know about tomorrow because I go to my dad's on weekends. So, sometimes my dad works Saturdays. And so, I know, I didn't have enough time to do like one more video, so I'm just gonna do like just one video for today. So, you guys have a good day and a good night. And we need to reach up to 500 subscribers, guys. We're almost there. Because I want to celebrate my 500 subscribers. Let's get there. Alright, I'm Blue the Raptor 24. My YouTube channel is Blue the Raptor 24. And you guys have a good day and a good night. And This place is called Meat Grinder. And I'll see you guys later and have a great weekend. Boop. Bye bye. And that's the time right there is the beat. Even though I beat it, Dragon Fighter 1133. Her time right there. So beat that. Alright. See you later. And I know the Persian is probably gonna hate me for this, for that one song I just did. So go subscribe to them too. Subscribe to Perdigen and Dragon Fighter 1133. Go subscribe to them too. See you later. Bye bye.